Hi everyone, my name is Madeline and I'm currently in the Navy. I'm a mass communication specialist and I've been in for 14 years and I'm a production manager, so my sailors write news stories, take photographs, create multimedia videos, and things like that to tell the Navy's story. And throughout my journey as a photojournalist for the Navy is how I discovered that I want to be a social worker because of what I've learned from people in dealing with the struggles of deploying, the struggles of working in a stressful environment like the military, um, and some of the family issues that can come with that. Um, so I think there's a big need for it in the military community. And I am currently in Norfolk, Virginia. What I've most enjoyed about the past classes with Widener is the group work that we get to do. Um, I've enjoyed it more than I thought because you really get everyone else's perspective on the content, and I really think that helps us connect with the content. At least it has helped me a lot. Um, as far as what I'm looking forward to in this class is getting to know social work on a different level as far as the policy perspective. I don't think I have as much of that angle, so I'm excited that we're going to approach it from that angle in this class, and I'm excited to get to know each of you as well. Thank you.